Hello guys, welcome back to Drone Legends. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. Today is May and yeah, it's a nice hot day. It's actually 26 degrees today. And I'm going to take off without further ado. So we're going to show you the area. Let's go up, full height. It's a really nice area. I'm in a place called Dagenham. I'll show you where I am. I'm taking off from here. Yeah, I'm in a place called Goulsbrook Park. And we're in the 360 photo. So yeah, it's a really nice area to fly. Let's just zip around. So, what have we got here? We've got the rest of Goulsbrook Park. We've got this area. Let's explore the rest of the park first. Sun has just gone behind the clouds. It's sunny. And only now the sun goes behind the clouds every time I take off. This has happened many times. So it's a really nice area to fly. We're going to do an orbit shot. We're trying to do a clean shot. And then we're going to explore the other side of this area. Maybe I should have flown more to that side. Let's go to that side now. So this is just the neighborhood area. So let's explore this area down here. So let's explore this area. Let's go down here. And we're going to orbit this area. Looks really nice. So you can see there's a place called Hollywood Bowl. It's like a bowling place. So yeah, let's explore. Let's go this side. So there's a nice little area. There's a nice little roundabout here. It's got a really spiky top. And then we've got a Tesco over here as well. I mean an Asda, it's in Asda, sorry. You know, there's a little area where I can take off from. Maybe I might land it, go in the middle here. I actually came from that area. I was in that area. Maybe I can fly from there, take off from there. And I can get a closer shot of that. I can get a closer shot of this Asda. Yeah, it'll be nice. It will be a nice shot. And then we can go closer to these. What they're building over here. No, that's that side. Go fast. We can go over here. Let's go over there now. Let's go closer to it, but it's a bit too far, so I'm not going to go that close. There's a little van over here. Let's see where that's going. Got a nice newly developed area over here. And you've got new buildings over here. We're near Barking Riverside where I flew the other day. Alright, let's follow this van. It's gonna go. I don't know where it's gonna go. I think there's a traffic light system. You can't really tell from the drone. It's interesting to see where it goes. Really interesting looking van that is white on the top, blue in the bottom. It's gonna go to this little roundabout over here, Spiky roundabout. I wanna go close to that roundabout. And there's another Spiky roundabout over here, as you can see. See what else can we get shots of? Let's get a more low down shot of the roundabout. Really nice shot. We've got the bus coming here. I might just stay here because I'm gonna have to put my drone away, go there, and take off again. Which might take a little bit of time. Follow that bus coming. It'll be faster if I follow it this way. Really nice shot. Alright, so not much else to get shots of. That's pretty much the whole area. We've got Asda. It really looks really nice, this shot. I'm glad I came here. Look at that. I can feel the heat now, the sun's come out. Let's get a shot of this roundabout, which is right here. Call it the Spiky roundabout. You know, it would be good to get stock footage on top of the roundabout. Let's go over here, right here. We get a static shot for a little while. I moved a little bit, trying to get a static shot. It'd be sick to get a time lapse of this roundabout as well. And we're gonna go around the roundabout. We're gonna get a rotating shot. Wow, that's actually an amazing shot. It's got the same speed. Can be disorientating if keep doing that. It's really hot. It's really muggy, meaning it's really humid. I might just fly in that area next time and get another nice shot of that area. It's a really good shot to get. I want to get a shot of this area again as well. Get a nice static shot. We get a shot of this roundabout as well. It's quite hard to keep it still. It's really hot now. I might land my drone and fly there, take off from there, but my battery is 34% already, so I don't think I'm going to do that. Let's just get a static shot of the roundabout. I want to actually get stock footage, basically. This is Eddie Stobart truck, lorry. I can get various shots here and just making them stock footage. I just keep my drone here, keep it static, and when it's time to land, I'm just going to land it. And I'll get footage of low down. I'll fly from that area, I'll take off from that area next time. I want to get a low down shot. Let's go a little bit lower. Let's get a low down shot as well. Let's go a little bit. Let's go back. Really hard to see the screen because of the sun. Actually, and put the brightness up. I can see if I got shade. And then we get a shot of the A13, which is where we're flying there. Let's get a last shot of this, then we're going to land the drone. Alright, let's land the drone now. We're at 20%. It's a really sick shot. Get top down shot as well. I'll bring the drone back. You can see that fast car. That's the blue one. You can hear it, and then I can see it in the video as well. I want to get a nice shot of the park as well. Birds are getting spooked. Got to be careful. You don't want to hit the birds. Alright, let's bring the drone back now. Got to mute out the loud noise. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight. It was actually really good. Got a nice shot of the roundabouts. I'm gonna get a low down shot in that area some other time. Anyway, yeah, this is an amazing drone flight. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll speak to you in the next one.